In this video, I will show you how to formulate a simple DMeta contract or a simple contract using DMeta, and then we will verify, and I'll show you how you do the verification process with a DMeta contract. Here we go. So I've already taken the liberty to go ahead and type out what I wanted to put in there just as a placeholder so that we can show how this works. So I will just go ahead and drop that in the box now. Here we go. So this is a simple contract. Jane Doe will borrow, let me add that in there, I'm sorry. Jane Doe will borrow $5 US dollars at 0.02% APR for 24 hours or less from John Doe. Balance to be repaid is 501. Okay, that's just as simple. And then what we're going to do is we are going to generate a DMeta hash. All right. And there we are. So what I am going to do is what if you were dealing with with your other party, you would then copy. You would then copy the text and copy the DMeta hash of the contract. Send both of those to the other party to verify. Control C also can copy if you don't want to right click. Control V will paste if you don't want to right click. All right. And you would send this on over in a simple file. It can be a Word document. It can be whatever type of file. You can text it to them using a simple decentralized chat, if you will, and so that they can verify the contract. Okay. So now we're going to verify our contract here, clearing this out. All right, and clearing this out. Now, say I am the other party. I have received the text. And say there was a typo. I'm just going to hypothetically put that in there. Correct? So, and I'm also going to show this as if the text wasn't correct, how you would know if you didn't get the correct hash. Okay? So, now we're going to take your text here, copy. All right, I just did a Control C. Now I'm going to do a Control V here, paste. And then I'm going to change something. I'm going to put 2 cents, just for grins and giggles, just to show you. Now, you should come up with, now if you do not come up with the hash that you see here, you will know that something's wrong. If I was to send you and say, is this correct? And you say, no, that is not. All right, so now, generate hash. It is not the same, okay? So what I'm going to do is, just to show you that, we're going to copy that and we're going to paste that here so that you can see. Control V, pasting that there. I'll just put some more space in between that so you guys can, whoops, all right, let me see. All right, so we can see the difference in contracts. Okay, and sorry, let me make that a little smaller there. All right, and we're going to copy the incorrect hash. Control C. Control V. Okay. They do not match. Why do they do not match? And you would say, why? Why don't they match? Oh, I see where the error was. There's a 2 instead of a 1. So we understand that there's a 2 instead of a 1, and that's why the hash is not verifiable. Now, we will then put in the proper text, Control C, and we should come up with this hash here. Control V, there we go, and DMeta hash. Oh, no, incorrect. What is wrong? We should have this here should be Control C, and then we're going to come over here and throw that inside there, Control V. Okay. There we go. There was a space. Okay, so now you see that we have that there, and that is correct. We have now verified our DMeta contract. As you see, the numbers are the same, and there you go. Voila. That is how you verify a DMeta contract.